Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Today I have got my long awaited what I got for my birthday. This is actually the part one. I've actually got other stuff, but I thought I should do this, and then the other ones have got their own, when I say their own separate videos, they need their own separate videos. But I just thought I'd share with you what I got for my birthday. I mean, my birthday was actually in February, but hey, as you know, I've been so busy, I've been off YouTube, and to be honest, I've just opened these items to just make sure they're my size, number one, and number two, they're the right items, because a lot of these things I actually ordered them online. I have not worn them yet and things. So these gifts, honestly, I am so grateful for them. I got some of them for myself and some of them obviously from family. I really appreciate them and I'm really loving it. And I just thought I should throw this video out right now, because right now a lot of these websites are having their summer sale. We've got My Theresa on sale right now, Farfetch, Matches Fashion, a lot of these sites. And to be honest, most of these things are on there, and in case you like any of these things, you can actually run and go grab them. So the first item I thought I'd share with you is from Bottega. And you know, the funny thing is, like, this is the one item from Bottega that I actually wanted, but it's never, for the price, I always thought I'm not gonna pay that expensive price for that, especially for just a particular season. But among all the mules they've done, this is actually my favorite, and I was able to get this particular one from Classless. So let's unbox it together. So the Bottega Veneta box, as we know, the regular green, and it comes with 2 dust bags. So you've got the 2 dust bags for it, and then I just open it. Like I said, I got this from Classless on Instagram. She sells a lot of these luxury items for much. You save money, but you have to keep an eye on her page for you to grab the good deals. So we've got these gorgeous raffia mules. So you've got all the paperwork with it, or whatever, the indication paperwork. So I was able to get this very gorgeous, really beautiful. For me, this is my favorite out of the whole Bottega mules. When I saw this, I believe this came out 2 years ago, and I was obsessed. I loved it, but I wasn't too sure if it was going to be soft to the skin, because obviously it looks very raffia, rattan kind of style. But honestly, the review I've been getting from this is like gorgeous. This is very classic. This is classic kind of mules, and it goes perfectly with this season right now, and I think it will go with almost everything in my closet, and I'm in love with it. I'm here for it. I picked this up in a size 40, and that is honestly my size to the T. The fitting, it's not too tight. The ankle is nice, it's airy, it's soft to the skin. This place is nice and soft. Yes, you do feel the raffia effect, but it's really nice and soft. It's not uncomfortable. And the heels are they're just midi heels. They're not too high. I'm in love with it. And of course, you've got the whole, cushiony under the heel kind of idea on the sole, the cushiony sole, and it makes it that extra comfortable, nice and soft when walking with it. I mean, this is not my first Bottega shoes. The other ones, I've got the yellow and the green, they are not as comfortable, so I'm hoping that this will be even more comfortable from what I have heard about it. But yes, I'm loving this. This gives me very holiday vibe, very summer vibe, and I'm gonna wear this a lot, and I can picture myself with a linen look with this, and I'm here for it. Love this. Like I said, honestly, this is a good bargain, a very good deal, and I was happy to get this well in time for my birthday. I have not worn it yet, so I'm excited and looking forward to wearing it this season. I actually was lucky to get 2 perfumes. Now, the first perfume that I have never tried before, I actually really liked it when I smelled it. Never even heard of it, to be honest, but I got this from my husband. He bought it for me, and I love the fact that it's little, it's miniature, it's something I can put in, when you're traveling. Nice, beautiful size. Is this gorgeous Creed perfume. Is spring flowers, and it smells really nice and fresh, really flowery, but it's got a little bit of a citrus zinc to it, and I really like it. And I'm a big fan of Creed perfume. I thought the bottle was so cute. It's pink, very blush pink, and it's a 30 ml, so this is like perfect for holiday, for traveling and stuff. I really love the smell. Like, honestly, it's very feminine, but also give that sweet, it's feminine but give that sweet smell. Really nice and fresh for this season right now. I love this, and it's my first time trying it. I definitely would ask him to get me another one once this is done, but it's nice. It's a good tester size, a good size. The 30 mils, I'm here for it. The next one was actually this is a perfume that I've actually been thinking to get for myself, but I'm always procrastinating. When you're like, you're not too sure, but but some of my perfumes are running low, and I just thought, okay, let's try the little size as well and see if we like it in the long run. It's nothing but this Chloe. I believe it's quite a popular Chloe perfume. It's nice. It's like an everyday perfume for me, in my opinion. It's nice, it's soft, it gives that powdery kind of scent to it, like a vanilla musky smell to it, if that makes sense. And I love the bottle. I think it's nice aesthetically, it's beautiful on your dresser and things. And I got this in a 30 ml as well, and I think it's a good, you know, I don't think I'd go for a bigger size. I think this is nice. It's compact. It's very, very good size for when you're going on a holiday. And I've used it a few times and it's growing on me, and I actually don't mind it. It's nice. It does stay a bit, it does stay quite a while on you. And yeah, love this. Love the bottle. It's like, it's so gorgeous. Really, really beautiful. The next two items are actually, they're very, very similar, but two very different colors. And you gotta give me some Versace. I love me some Versace. I love these Versace shoes. Love, love, love them. This haul is literally quite a lot of shoes. I don't know why, but I did get quite a bit more shoes for my birthday this year. But yeah, so these Versace shoes is in a size 40 as well. Love it. I got it from the sale, I believe sometime around their January sale. So I bought it and I kept it for myself. And it comes with all the paperwork because it was posted. You got the Versace care booklet and all that shebang. Got one dust bag, just one dust bag with this. Very beautiful, very beautiful. This is actually the second one. I'll show you the first color. I love this shoe. Love this beautiful Versace with the Medusa crystal. It's like in a teal color. I don't have this color in my shoe collection, and you know what, there's no two ways about it. Like, I just literally like take my money and buy this. I bought this from Farfetch. I believe they were doing a sale on it. They have this, Versace have this slingback in so many different colors, and I'm here for, I love it. So it's got this satin all over the body. It's like satin kind of feel to it. The heels is quite thick. I believe it's 100 millimeters. Don't quote me, I will check. But they are comfortable. These shoes are so comfortable. I love the crystals. I'm liking crystal things going on. I think it's very girly and very blingy. So it's nice. It's beautiful. It's so comfortable, these shoes. Versace shoes, for me, in my opinion, I've got a few of their shoes and they're very comfortable. So it's got this elastic thing on the sling side on it. And you've got the Medusa in gold at the bottom. And yeah, love it. I think this shoe is going to be my closet, and this is a kind of shoe that you can actually wear with a skirt, you can wear with a dress, midi, mini, maxi, and you can wear with trousers. Honestly, love it. You can't go wrong with a quartz slingback kind of shoe, and again, they're very comfortable. This other one, this other shoe is actually the one I bought first, and I loved it, and I decided, you know what, I saw the other color in sale and I decided to go for it again. So this was the first one that I bought initially, and this was also on sale. This I actually got from the Versace website itself because they did have a January sale, and I picked it up from there. And this is in the 40 as well. You've got the whole paperwork with this as well. You've got the one dust bag, and is this gorgeous fiery red, hot pepper red, hot. This sling bag is gorgeous. This red is beautiful. Now this is crystallized as well, but it's got gold. This is a gold one to it, red and gold. Unlike the blue one was like blue and silver. So this is red and gold, and I'm here for it. I love this. Like, I cannot wait to style this. This is a color that goes with so many things in my closet. And the heels as well is nice, it's thick, it's comfortable, exactly the same like the first one. And you've got the Medusa head at the bottom in gold. Love this. I think this is gorgeous. This is a showstopper. This is a classy, elegant ladies kind of shoes. If you do not have this, like, I don't understand. If you love slingback, honestly, you need to own one of these Versace slingbacks. They are nice. They're definitely a statement. They're not really out there, but you know what? When they've got to talk, they've got to talk, and we love that for this. And I got this one, obviously. This as well has got the whole satin all over the body, satin look and things, and they are comfortable, like I said. Love it. If you like any of these, honestly, Versace have them in so many different sizes, so many different colors. Just look around all the websites, and I believe Versace have got a sale going at the moment and things, in Farfetch. They do good deals on these shoes and in so many colors. Honestly, grab them if you're thinking of them. Yes, they are very comfortable and very classy. Definitely worth the money. So you know we cannot have an unboxing without a bag. We love our bags here and stuff. And this brand is actually a brand that I have heard of them. I have seen them, but I have not really bought anything from them. I don't actually have anything from them at all. But And I remember a few videos of mine, even in my luxury wish list, I really wanted a clutch bag. I think I need to invest more in clutch bags for like evening outing and things like that. But this bag is actually something, this clutch bag is something my husband actually got me for my birthday, and I love it. It's beautiful, it's girly, it's glistening, from a brand called BENEDETTA BRUZZICHES or something like that. I believe is how I say BENEDETTA BRUZZICHES. I have opened it, I have not used it. It's been sitting in my closet as usual, and I just thought I'd show it to you. I love the box color. It's got that ombre, orangey, gray, yellow thing to it. It's very, very pretty, very beautiful. And then opening the box, they've got this little words like statement, which is so pretty. It says, shine, for you are light and wonder, for there are galaxies within you and stardust dances in your soul. Stars lives in your eyes, and glory and grace lives in your bones. You are beautiful, you are light and wonder, you are shine. You shine. I'm telling you, it's so beautiful. Love, love, love the statement, love the quote. It's very encouraging. And he got me this very beautiful, I think this is a classic trend of their bag, this clutch. It's silver, but it gives me very iridescent. It's got so many multicolors, and this is something that I can wear with so many things, so many, because you can see from the color shades to blue to pink to lilac to green to, like, it's literally endless. But I think I'd say it's more silver, but all this iridescent color background is a vibe. I love this bag, I love this clutch. It is sturdy. It might look squashy, but honestly it is sturdy, and it has a clip, a clasp kind of thing. So you see, I haven't worn it yet. I think it says the Venice. Guessing that's the name of the bag, Venice bag. It's got the dust bag in there, so it comes with its dust bag, which is good for traveling because of the scratches of the sequin. So it just kind of clicks. It's got a metallic a magnetic clasp to it. Love it. I love this clutch bag. I'm excited to wear it. Got occasions coming up soon, so I'm looking forward to actually, you know, styling it. Is very, very evening wear, and I love it. I love the bulky look, and the fact that it sits is actually not squashy. It's actually quite a structured bag. I was actually quite surprised. So yeah, love it. That wraps up the first part of my what I got for my birthday unboxing. I've got a few things which I believe they deserve their own individual videos. I'm so happy and I'm excited to show you those ones. If you like this video, of course, or if you like anything in this video, please, I will leave the link for all of these items on different websites if I can find them. And I believe the BENEDETTA BRUZZICHES are also on sale on Farfetch or my Teresa website right now. So in case you're loving it, you're feeling it, just go and grab yourself a bargain. If you love this video, of course, don't forget to give a girl a thumbs up. It helps a lot with my YouTube algorithm. And don't forget to tell somebody about Flossy Insight. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. You know we love our luxury hauls here. If it's your vibe, and we love fashion, and most of all we love colors and positive vibes on here. With all that being said, if you don't follow me on Instagram, don't forget to follow your girl at Flossy Insight. I hope you're having a beautiful day, enjoying the summer, enjoying the sun. With all that being said, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.